Until 2 years ago, ladies and gentlemen, Chandameta in Chhattisgarh's Bastar division was seen as a dreaded Maoist bastion. So much so, the villagers could never participate in any election since independence. The recently concluded assembly polls was the first time that Chandameta, one of the over 120 villages in Maoist populated Bastar division, saw voting taking place. This is the first Lok Sabha election where villagers of Chandameta walked 6 kilometers to cast their votes. There was a time when one member from each of the 80 families in this village had joined the Maoists. There was a time when the village did not even have metalled roads. Today, it is all history. There is electricity, water pumps, mobile phone towers. And that perhaps is one of the reasons why, for the first time, villagers of Chandameta could actually go out and exercise their franchise. Take a look at this exclusive ground report filed by my colleague Akil.
Once a red bastion, now a contributor in the biggest democratic festival. People of Chhattisgarh's Chandameta exercise their democratic right for the first time since independence.
Right now I'm in the Chandameta area. This is a very sensitive Naxalite zone. Republic Media Network is the only network that has come over here. Here you can see the CRPF personal Jawans over here, and the election vehicles of the officials' vehicles are coming from on government duty at this very point. So this is a very sensitive zone. At this village, the entire village is a very sensitive village, and this area, this Chandameta area is a very significant area in the Bastar constituency. Because why so? The reason behind it is pretty simple, that for the first time in the history of independent India, elections are being held. Lok Sabha elections are being held for the first time. So that's why this Chandameta area is very crucial for everyone. And to make an important note over here, that is few months back, just 4 or 5 months back, electricity power was being supplied to this very place. Earlier there was no power, so no villagers used to have an access to the electricity over here. Right now I'm standing in a very sensitive zone of Chandameta area. Here you can see the CRPF personnel are deployed over here. Here you can see the dog who's doing the security work over here. And you can see it, all those security personnel are deployed over here. And they are just doing their duty, because Chandameta area is a very sensitive zone, because in this area Lok Sabha election has not been held as of now. This is for the first time when Lok Sabha election is being held. And during this first phase, when Bastar goes to poll in this election, then the voters of this area, Chandameta area, have come forward from their home and they voted for the first time. As you can see, this is a village area, and in this forest area, the CRPF convoy are being deployed over here, and they are doing their security work. And in this deep forest, there you can see they are just standing and they are doing their duty and doing their work, so that no untoward incident could take place inside this forest area. I would like to request my VJ to move forward and show you the visual of this inside area. Here you can see, there you can see on that the top of that tower, some security personnel are standing over there and doing their duty. And right now you can see over there one of the security officials is standing over there. So all of them are doing their duty, so that the villagers of Chandameta area can come forward and they can vote, because this is for the first time in the history of Indian independence that they can come forward and exercise their voting rights, because Chandameta area since independence have not taken part in the electoral process. So right now what has happened, that this is for the first time that they are taking part during the electoral process, and this is a new beginning, because we also went inside the forest to cross. After crossing that forest, we went inside that village, Chandameta area, and we spoke to villagers, we spoke to kids over there, we spoke to women over there, and they said what they want is actual development. When we spoke to them, they said since independence, we have not got electricity, we have not got basic amenities like water, like necessary food items. So there have been several grudges. That outburst came in front of Republic crew, in front of Republic camera, and they exposes the lies of several government. अभी हम गांव वालों से बात करेंगे और जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। अभी जब मैंने गांव वालों से बात की, उन्होंने बताया कुछ महीने पहले यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की सप्लाई हुई है, पावर की सप्लाई हुई है। आप देख भी सकते हैं। मैं अपने विजय से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आपको ये पिलर दिखाएं, और ये जब पिलर आप देखेंगे ना, तो ये पिलर जो है बिल्कुल नया है। ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें बहुत दिनों से बहुत गर्द लगी है या फिर बहुत पुराना पिलर। दिस इज अ वेरी न्यू पिलर। तो अगर आप इस पिलर को अगर गौर से देखें तो बहुत नया है, और उनका कहना बिल्कुल सही है कि यहाँ पर जो बिजली की सप्लाई हुई है वो बहुत कुछ महीने पहले हुई है। और कोशिश करते हैं कि यहाँ पर कितने वोटर हैं। चांदा मेटा का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी का जो एरिया है बस्तर के अंदर, वो कितनी बड़ी आबादी है, इन गांव वालों से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं। अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए, एक चीज़ मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ। आप इस गाँव के रहने वाले हैं, इस गाँव की आबादी कितनी है?
मेरे को नहीं पता है सर।
आपको अंदाजा कुछ बताएं तो, मोटा मोटी कितनी है
जी,
कितनी आबादी गांव में, कितने लोग रहते हैं? लगभग
325।
वोटिंग लिस्ट के अंदर कितने लोग?
वोटिंग लिस्ट में 325 है।
वोटिंग लिस्ट के अंदर 325 है। बाकी आबादी भी है यहाँ पे। आप लोग स्कूल जाते हैं, यहाँ बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं?
जी, स्कूल जाते हैं।
अच्छा, मैं देख पा रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, जब मैं तकरीबन 40 किलोमीटर अंदर इस जगह पे आने के लिए ट्रैवल करके आया हूँ, ठीक है, शहर से निकलने के बाद सिर्फ जंगल के अंदर के एरिया में, जिसमें मुझे एक भी ना स्कूल दिखा, ना कहीं कोई इंसान दिखा, न शख्स दिखा, पूरा रास्ता सुनसान था। ये मुझे एक पहला स्कूल दिखा। क्या आप मुझे बताएं, बिकॉज आप बीती बता सकते हैं क्योंकि आप यहाँ रहते हैं, क्या ये सिर्फ अकेला स्कूल है या फिर और भी स्कूल हैं यहाँ?
नहीं, चांदा मेटा में तो एक ही स्कूल है।
ये चांदा मेटा का वाहिद अकेला स्कूल है? ये स्कूल कब बना, कितने पहले बना?
ये 1 साल जस्ट 2023 में।
ये 2023 में बना है। अच्छा, इससे पहले यहाँ कोई स्कूल नहीं हुआ करता था। तो चांदा मेटा के बच्चे पढ़ाई कैसे करते थे आज तक?
नहीं करते थे सर, यहाँ से दूर 10 किलोमीटर दूर कोलिंग में जाके हॉस्टल में रहते थे।
वो 10 किलोमीटर दूर जाके, क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्कूल की कोई सुविधा नहीं थी। क्या आपने पढ़ाई की है?
जी।
कहाँ आपने कहाँ पढ़ाई की?
मैं बाहर में, सुकमा जिला।
अच्छा, आप यहाँ से सुकमा जिला गए, तो यहाँ के जो बच्चे हैं उनको तो बेसिक सुविधाएं नहीं मिल रही होंगी अब तक?
नहीं सर।
है ना, वो एक बहुत ही मुश्किल रहा होगा, वक्त रहा होगा। तो यहाँ पे वोटिंग हुआ आज जो पहला वोटिंग है, और अभी जो वोटिंग की प्रक्रिया चली, और उसमें कुछ कितने लोग आए वोट देने के लिए?
जी, अभी यहाँ का जैसे वोटिंग लिस्ट के अनुसार अभी 231 लोग वोट किए हैं। 71% के आसपास कुछ गया है। 325 वोटिंग में से 231 लोग वोट किए हैं।
अच्छा।
Republic spoke exclusively to Bastar DM, who confirmed the historic feat of the village.
Yes, I just wanted to clarify one thing, that there's a region in Bastar which is known as Chanda Meta. Is Lok Sabha election happening for the first time since independence?
Yes. It's happening for the first time since independence.
And why it's happening for the first time? Why it took so long to have an election process over there for the first time?
The people used to go to a different polling location that was around 8 kilometers from the local habitat. So, because of inaccessibility and because of security reasons, they were not able to give them adequate access and adequate polling station to vote in the same village where they reside.
In the last 12 months, the village has seen a significant progress and is only uphill. Bureau Report, Republic TV.